I'm going to show you how to tie a scarf. There's 3 different ways. The first one is the loose knit. The loose knit, put the scarf around your neck like this. And you make one longer than the other, like this. Tie it around, go around your neck once, and you can make it tighter or looser, however you like. That's the first one. The second one is the slip knot. Slip knot. You take it off and fold it in half. Put it on your neck. Open the loop like this. Grab the other side and pull it through and pull. And then there's the bow tie. Bow tie. You put it on your neck. Tie it in a bow. So it will look like there's a bow in the middle of your scarf. Like that. Okay.